Hello friends, today we are going to prepare the Kellogg's Muesli fruit, nut and seeds, and this is a new flavor that has come. It says 12 in 1 power breakfast. It's packed with almonds, pumpkin seeds, black currants, cranberries, raisins, papaya, oats, ragi, wheat, barley, corn and rice, and is loaded with vitamins and iron. This is a breakfast cereal. Now let's go on to the back of the pack. This is how the back of the pack looks. Uh, Coming to the MRP of the product, this is a trial pack which I bought, which MRP is 57, and the expiry date here is 6th of March 27. Was purchased on manufactured on 9th of June 26. So 9 months of shelf life. Kellogg Muesli fruit nut and seeds. There's no maida, no palm oil, source of protein, high in fiber, high in vitamins B1, B2 and B3. So you can have them right out of the bag, it says. So let's go ahead and open this trial pack that I have. Let me cut this open. Just gonna cut it open from here. So we have opened the complete pack right here, and this is how it looks inside. This is the muesli inside. Like I can show it to you all. This is how it looks. The seeds and oats and wheat flakes, cornflakes in it. So very easy to prepare. It depends on how you like to eat it, with warm milk, cold milk. So I'm gonna have it with warm milk. So just gonna pour in all the contents of the packet right into the bowl that I have here. You can see here. I poured it. This is a 65 gram pack. So 65 grams of cornflakes. This is papaya right here that we get. Wheat flakes, cornflakes, almond. Right here, almond is there. Spoon. And now we are going to pour in some milk as per our requirements. I have some warm milk right here. I'm going to directly pour it in. And then with a spoon, just going to mix it up, so that the cornflakes and the other flakes and fruits and nuts soak in the milk. And then I'll add in more milk if needed. So here my bowl of healthy muesli is ready. So guys, this is the Kellogg's Muesli fruit and nut and seeds, which is ready. So we are going to enjoy this today. So I'm going to add in a little more milk. And that should be fine. You all can see how well it has become. Like you all can see all the oats, rolled oats, nuts, like almonds. You can see the seeds. I can see pumpkin seeds in it, and then I can also see some almond flakes. There are oats, there are raisins and currants. Your currants are there, and black raisins are there. All dry fruits are there in it, so it looks nice. So now I'm gonna enjoy this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.